Hi Paula, I'm Shirley Price and I live in Tallahassee, Florida. I have prepared today a chicken salad, and you can see that it's I've got it mostly ready to go into my chicken salad in the round, which is the appetizer that I'm making. I have here 2 cups of chicken that I pulled from a chicken that was pre-cooked, and I love to use convenience foods, especially if they're as good as what I can do myself, and this practically is. I also made a mixture of a medium-sized onion, 1/4 cup craisins, 1/4 cup golden raisins, and about 4 slices of pre-cooked bacon. And I crumbled the bacon and I added it to 1½ tablespoons of butter, and I sauteed the butter, the onion, the craisins, and the raisins, and I got the mixture to go in here, and I added it to the pulled chicken along with 1/4 cup of toasted slivered almonds and about 2/3 cup of broccoli slaw mix. That's going to add a little bit of a crunch together with the almonds. And now I have just about got it completely mixed up, which I will finish doing now. This is such a wonderful chicken salad mixture. It's versatile also. If you don't want to go to the trouble of making a very beautiful appetizer that would win over the hearts of anybody you wanted to impress, it could go in a sandwich, it could go in a salad. But today we're going to do the chicken salad in the round. So now this is ready to go. You will notice that I have set my bowl on a piece of parchment paper, and I took a pen and I drew a circle around the bottom of the bowl. I'm going to move the bowl. I've sprayed the edges of the parchment paper just a little bit with the cooking spray. Don't want to use this side because it's got the ink on it. So we're going to turn it over. We're going to use this side, and we have the circle visible. Now what I'm doing with this circle, I'm going to take our crescent rolls that I've already taken out of the can and divided them into 16 triangles, and I'm going to situate them around this circle. And this is going to take a few minutes, and we're going to have all 16, hopefully. Sometimes when I have made this in the past, I might not use all 16, but I think we will today, hopefully. Keep my fingers crossed. So the other reason we're using the parchment paper is it's going to make it real easy to trim this parchment paper to fit my cookie sheet that we're going to cook this on. When it's done, it slides easily off the cookie sheet. And then we can go ahead and finish dressing it up. And the way I'm going to dress it up is that I have 4-inch bamboo skewers, and on those skewers I've put grapes. This is going to sit in the center of our round. Not only is it going to be very pretty and attractive, but it goes very well with the chicken salad. It's just a little extra. You can see that we're getting our triangles, keeping basically the circle in the middle. And just takes a little bit of time, that's all, but it's well worth it. When I finish with the placing the dough, I'm going to flatten out the circle in the middle, because this is a heavy ring of dough here, and we want to have it as nearly flat as the crescent rolls are. We don't want it to be much thicker than the rolls themselves. And there is our lovely star. Now I'm going to mash this together. Do this with your hands. It's going to flatten that out. I suppose you could probably do it with a rolling pin, but I just find it easier to do with my hands. Now, that's kind of like our bed that we're going to put our chicken salad on. And you might think that my hands rolling this, flattening this out the way I am, might make this dough tough, but it doesn't at all. Now, we're ready to add our chicken salad, and what I'm going to do is use my utensils that God gave me. I'm going to put them in the chicken salad in the round, and I'm going to leave a space in the middle so that I'll have a place to put the ends of my star. When I finish this, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese over this chicken salad. And then we're going to do an egg wash, and we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to let it bake at 350 for 30 minutes. The first 20 minutes we're going to leave it uncovered so that it'll get a pretty golden color. I can tell you that that looks wonderful already. Now what I want to do is take the ends of the stars, curl them over, and I'm going to take right back off again, because the one thing I didn't want to do was to forget to put the cheese on. So what I'm going to do is sprinkle now. This is about 3 ounces of cheese. And we're going to go ahead and curl this over. We're going to put it on the baking sheet. You can see that it's not as difficult as it looks, because this goes pretty fast. And there, we have our chicken salad ready to bake, and we're going to put it on our baking sheet. You can see now why I wanted to use the we're going to put it in the oven, and in 30 minutes it's going to look beautiful. You're not the only one with some magic, Paula. I have one that I cooked earlier. This is chicken in the salad in the round. And these are the grapes that I put on the skewers. They go in the middle of it, and if you want, you can decorate it with parsley, and you have a gorgeous appetizer.